Hi friends, this is a quick video demonstrating the emotional freedom technique for you. It is based on tapping techniques on certain meridian points of your body, and the premise of it is to clear any blocked energy, because all negative emotions is just a blocked energy point. So it's very simple. It's self-care. You can do this anytime throughout the day, and I'll just take you through an example of it. So the first step is to identify exactly what it is that you want to clear. What is the negative emotion that you want to be rid of? It could be general anxiety or stress or worry. It could be something specific, the health of a loved one, your financial concerns. It could actually work on aches and pains. So you could say your achy shoulder or your achy back or whatever it is. So you need to identify exactly what it is you want to clear, and then we rank it on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being at its worst and obviously 1 being at a very low level. So for purposes of this video, I'm going to use an example of nighttime anxiety, which is true for me during this COVID process, this COVID crisis. So I'm going to say my nighttime anxiety is ranked at a level 5. All right, so there's my identification. Then to set yourself up, there's a phrase that you say at the beginning of your tapping process. And the phrase is, even though I have this blank. That's where you fill in your blank. So even though I have this nighttime anxiety, I deeply and completely accept myself. So you're setting your brain up, you're identifying your problem, and you are now telling yourself that even though you have this negative feeling, you still accept yourself and you are okay. So the tapping points begin what is known as the karate chop. Then you go to the top of the head, and you go to right at your eyebrows, and you can do one eyebrow at a time, or you can do both. Then you go to the side of your eyes, again one side or both. Under your eyes, again choose one side or both. Under your nose, your chin. It's a location called the collarbone, so you find your U, and you go down an inch and out an inch. And again, you can do both sides at once or choose one side, but this is your tapping area. And then the last one is referred to as under the arm. So for women, it would be in the middle of your bra strap, and for men, it would be even with your nipple. You use a 2-finger tapping technique, and it's a series of 5 to 7 taps. And when you start, you say that phrase, even though I have this blank, I deeply and completely accept myself. You say that only when you're doing your karate chop, because this is your first motion. So this is where you're setting your attention. And then the rest of the tapping times, all you're doing is identifying the issues. So I will just say nighttime anxiety. And you go through it once, and then you reevaluate the level at which this disturbance is. So hopefully it has decreased. So hopefully my level of nighttime anxiety went from a 5 to a 4 to a 3. And so I will reevaluate after I finish one through of the tapping technique. And you can do it as many times as you want to get down to 0, or to, if you've reached a plateau and that's as far as you can go at this point in time, that's fine. Then later on you can do it again. You can do it as many times as you need to throughout your day or night. So here we go. Even though I have this nighttime anxiety, I deeply and completely accept myself. Nighttime anxiety. 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 Then I reevaluate. And my levels actually did decrease. I would say it went from a 5 to a 4. So I would do it again and hopefully get to a 3, and do it again and get to a 2, and then to a 1, and then finally down to a 0. It's a very simple process. It can be done within a few minutes. I hope this helps you. I hope you find it useful. If you need any more information, please reach out. Thanks. Bye.